Hi, I'm technician with TUTT Store. Today I'm going to talk about N3 portable monitor. Just arrived in our store, also available on Best Buy Canada and other platforms. So let's do the unboxing. This is the box you will be receiving. Like all the portable monitors are coming in double package to make sure the shipment is safe and secure. Technical support QR code, like always, you go to our technical support page. If you need help, request the technical support. There are videos there that you can just watch, and how to connect different monitors videos. So this is the N3 portable monitor. Product detail. Also at the back of the second package you still have the technical support, and this is the number for company. You cannot call, but if you need help, please text this number and we will get back to you. So inside the box you have the user manual. Very simple, very easy to connect, and this is the inside the box. I will get back to you later. So this is USB-C to USB-C. This is HDMI to USB-C, and this is regular USB-A to USB-C to power if you do not have full featured or you're using HDMI. It's very easy, and this is N3 portable monitor. Is coming with the protective case. Just remove this, and this is the monitor. And for this protective case, it's very rigid, and you can use it as mouse pad if you're like traveling, or you don't need to carry around different things. It's good to be used as that for that purpose. And in the box you have this stand. Depending on your preference, you can put it here or on the other side, and it's you can rotate it. So basically you can use it as a portrait or landscape. So it's very simple process. And for the connection, there are two methods of connection. One is USB-C to USB-C, but you need a full-featured USB-C on your device. Full feature means that it has a Thunderbolt marking, or you can just try it. If with a single cable it transmits power and data, that's a full featured USB-C. If you don't have a full feature, that's okay. You can use HDMI, but you need to power the screen. So in this case, because my laptop doesn't have full featured USB-C, I used HDMI, and I just power it and it's working.